Hello, I'm Alice Turley, and I'm here to give you a sneak peek into our upcoming data flow mapping workshop on the 16th of September. Whether you're a data protection officer, a compliance officer, or anyone responsible for safeguarding personal data, you already know how crucial data flow mapping is for your role. But let's be honest, navigating data privacy regulations like the GDPR, DORA, NIS2, and many others, especially in conjunction, can be challenging. One of the biggest hurdles organizations face is getting an accurate picture of what personal data you're holding, who's using the data, where you're storing the data, and how that data is moving around both internally and externally. Without this clear view, it's easy to miss privacy risks or find yourself overwhelmed by subject access requests. It'll also make it much easier to meet other GDPR requirements like conducting a DPIA for high risk processing activities. And this is where data flow mapping becomes invaluable. It is not a compliance box to tick, it's a powerful tool for visualizing and managing your data pathways. However, getting it can be tricky. From identifying data flows to documenting them effectively, the process can feel complex and intimidating. In our workshop, we're making it simple. We'll walk you through the practical steps of data flow mapping using the CyberComply platform. You'll dive into a hands-on exercise, mapping a real-world HR process to learn how to pinpoint data touchpoints and mitigate privacy risks. By the end of the session, you'll not only grasp the fundamentals of data flow mapping, but also gain the confidence to implement it within your organization. So if you're looking to strengthen your data protection strategy and stay ahead of compliance needs, this workshop is designed for you. I look forward to seeing you there.